Hello, I am Martha Lewis, owner of Martha's Kitchen and Events, located at 723 Oak Lane Avenue in the East Oak Lane section of Philadelphia. I have been in business for 5 years, making my venue affordable, classy, and memorable. I've had special guests like Mayor Kenny, Councilwoman Sherelle Parker, Archbishop Mary Floyd Palmer, Sonny Hill, gospel singer Jermaine Dolly, Quincy from the Q Show, and State Representative Steve Kenzie, and many more. My friends and I cater every Thanksgiving to our community, giving away lots of food for the less fortunate or people that are lonely for the holidays. I make my customers feel like home. Thank you.